A very good morning to you, dear children. So, now that we have completed our course book and workbook exercise, we are going to pick up our grammar book, that is Great Fun with Grammar. Okay, and in that we are going to start with the chapter Adjectives. Fine. Now, what are adjectives? Okay. Words that tell us more about nouns are called describing words or adjectives. So, words that tell us more about nouns, that give us more information about nouns, are called describing words or adjectives. Fine. Nouns are naming words, names of any place, person, animal, or thing. And any word which describes these nouns more, which gives more information about these nouns, are called describing words or adjectives. Okay. Now, adjectives tell us more about nouns, about their shape. Now, rectangular table. Now, table is a common noun. Now, what is the more information given regarding the table? Rectangular. That is, what is the shape? Rectangular. Circular track. So, adjectives can be the shape, which gives more information. Shape gives more information about the noun. So, shape, rectangular, circular, square, or oval shape, or diamond shape, all these are adjectives. Okay. Size, small house, large field. As we can see in the picture, it's a small house, or large field, or big garden. So all these are adjectives. Small, big, large, all these are adjectives because they give more information regarding the noun. Fine. So shape, size. Now color. Red shirt, black eyes, blue sky. All these are the colors, the names of the colors which give more information about the noun. They are all adjectives. Okay. Age, 2 years old. My younger sister is 7 years old. Okay, so any age, the number is the adjective because it is giving more information about the noun. Number, 5 apples, 12 oranges. Fine. So 5 and 12, they are the numbers. How many apples? 5. How many oranges? 12. So they are giving more information more information about the nouns. So 5 and 12 are the adjectives. Taste, sweet fruit, bitter vegetable, sour lemon. So all these, the taste, the different taste, they are also adjectives. Fine. How something feels, soft pillow, hard bed. So what is the quality? What is the quality of the pillow? How does it feel? It is soft. Fine. And how is the bed? It is hard. So soft and hard, they are also describing pillow and bed respectively. So they are the adjectives. The position or the order, second prize, fourth in line, all these are also adjectives. Quantity, how much of something, little time, enough milk. Fine. All these are adjectives. Belonging or possession, my books, your bag. So in these, my and your are the adjectives. So adjectives, they give us more information about nouns, and they can tell us about their shape, size, color, age, number, taste, and how they feel, what is the position, what is the quantity, who is belonging, what is the possession, who is possessing that noun. Even that particular thing comes under the category of the adjectives. Fine. Now moving towards the exercise, it is written, look at the picture clues and fill in the blanks. One has been done for you. So now in the A part, it is a picture of an old man. So the old man is sitting. Now man is a noun. And what is the quality? What is the word that is describing this man? Old, age. And his young granddaughter is standing. Fine. Moving ahead. Reena has dash hair, but Meena has dash here. Now from the picture we need to fill up the blanks. Okay. It says Reena has short hair but Meena has long hair, as we can see from the picture. Rayan's box is dash but Rad's box is dash. As we can see the size of the box, it is one is big and the other one is small. So you can mention it in the blank. Okay. Now the second exercise is match the following. In the A part, it is written honey is, lemons are, ice cream is, a cup of tea is, a feather is, a stone is. And in the second part, the qualities are written: cold, heavy, hot, light, sour, sweet. Fine. So we are going to match them with their qualities. Honey is, what is the taste of honey? It is sweet. So you are going to match it with sweet. Lemons are, what is the taste of lemons? They are sour. Okay. So you can match it with sour. So in this manner you can complete the whole exercise. Ma'am is going to send you the related sheet also. You can look at it. You can have a look at it. But first I would request all my dear children to attempt all these exercises by yourself, because ma'am told you how, ma'am made you understand the concept. Now you first attempt it by yourself and then you can verify your answers with what ma'am is going to send to you. Okay. Now in the third exercise it is written, unscramble the letters given in brackets to find the adjective that suits the nouns. One has been done for you. So jumbled up letters are being given and we have to arrange them in a word that is also the adjective which is related to the noun. Okay. The stone has a dash surface. So what word can we make from the bracket? Rough. So what is the quality of the stone? It is rough. So rough becomes the adjective. Okay. The cat has a dash coat. Now which word can we make from these from the letters that is given in the bracket? Smooth. So smooth is describing cat. Okay. So we can write down smooth here. In the same manner we can unscramble the different words that are given in the subsequent sentences, and we can complete it and we can find out the adjective that is related to the noun. Okay. Now the next exercise, match the words in the left columns with their opposites in the right column. Okay. Now here we are going to match the words with the words given in column 1 with the opposites given in column 2. For example, the word is full. So opposite of full is empty. This glass is full, but that is empty. Fine. So what is the quantity in the first glass? It is full. But what is the quantity in the second glass? It is empty. So full and empty are opposites and they are also the adjectives. Bright, dull. This light is bright, but that one is really dull. Okay. So in this manner we can match the words with their opposites, and we can complete this exercise in the manner ma'am has done. Okay. Now moving ahead, choose the best describing word for each animal and fill in the blanks. Fine. So a dash rabbit, brave, cruel or timid. A rabbit is not brave because the moment we go near to him it just gets afraid and it runs away. It is not cruel, right? So it is timid. So we can write down here timid. Fine. A dash crocodile, kind, hungry or fast. A crocodile can never be kind. A crocodile can never be fast, but a crocodile can be hungry. So we can write down hungry here. Okay. Now in this manner you can complete the exercises that are given below. Ma'am is going to provide you with the related sheet, but first try to do it yourself. Verify your answers with the sheet that ma'am is going to give. I will provide you the related sheet and I will be sending it to you after this video. Okay, fine. Thank you so much. Okay then, bye.